Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra. Question is, suppose that t from R2 to R2 is linear with image of vector 1 0 under t is vector 1 4 and image of vector 1 1 under t is vector 2 5. Then what will be image of the vector 2 3 under t and is t a 1 1 linear transformation? We will start our proof. Firstly, we will find image of vector 2 3 under t. Now we have given that t from R2 to R2 is a linear transformation with image of vector 1 0 under t is vector 1 4 and image of vector 1 1 under t is vector 2 5. Now note that R2 is a vector space over field R with dimension of R2 equals to 2. Now note that the set containing vectors 1 0 and 1 1 is linearly independent subset of R2. Now as dimension of R2 is 2 and this set contains two vectors and this set is linearly independent, therefore we will call this set as B and this set B will be a basis of vector space R2. Now note that vector 2 3 in R2 can be expressed in terms of basis B as 2 3 equals to minus 1 times vector 1 0 plus 3 times vector 1 1. Here minus 1 and 3 are unique scalars. So we get this representation of 2 3. Now we have t of 2 3 can be written as t of minus 1 1 0 plus 3 1 1. Again this can be written using linearity of t as minus 1 t of 1 0 plus 3 t of 1 1. Now t of 1 0 is 1 4 and t of 1 1 is 2 5. So we get this, and this after simplification gives image of vector 2 3 under t is the vector 5 11. Next, to check whether t is 1 1, we need to use this theorem which states that let V and W be vector spaces over field F and let t from V to W be linear transformation. Then t is 1 to 1 if and only if kernel of t is singleton zero vector. So in order to check whether given linear transformation is 1 to 1 or not, we need to find kernel of that linear transformation t. So for this, let us consider some arbitrary vector, say x equals to x1 x2 in kernel of t. Now note that this vector x1 x2 can be expressed in terms of basis B as x1 x2 equals to x1 minus x2 1 0 plus x2 1 1. Here x1 minus x2 and x2 are unique scalars which are used to represent x1 x2 in terms of basis B. Now as the vector x bar which is x1 x2 is in kernel T, we have T of x1 x2 equals to 0 vector of R2. Now writing expression for x1 x2, we get T of x1 minus x2 1 0 plus x2 1 1 is equal to 0 vector of R2. Again using linearity of t, this can be written as x1 minus x2 t of 1 0 plus x2 t of 1 1 is equal to 0 vector of R2. Now we know that image of 1 0 is 1 1 4 and image of 1 1 under t is 2 5. So we get this expression, and this after simplification gives x1 plus x2 comma 4x1 plus x2 is equal to 0 vector. Now as these two vectors are equal, so equating their coordinates we get this system. x1 plus x2 is equal to 0 and 4x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. And after solving this system, we get x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. So vector x bar which is x1 x2 will be a 0 vector of R2. Now as x is any arbitrary vector in kernel T which is equal to 0, so we must have kernel of the linear transformation T must be the 0 vector of R2. And so by this theorem we can conclude that the given linear transformation T from R2 to R2 is 1 to 1, and this proves the given result.